Hello, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate your time. I just wanted to ask you a few questions, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, why did you go solar?
Uh, well, actually, I already had a solar system, and your company was one of the few that could add a battery backup to it.
Perfect.
And the original reason I went with solar was to uh, save on my electric bill.
Great. Great. And how did you hear about green home systems?
Oh, I was looking for a company that was able to add a battery backup, and yours was one of the few that could.
Amazing. Amazing. Now, with all this being said, would you recommend any of your friends or neighbors to go with green home systems?
Yes, they seem to be very professional. Everything went smooth on the install, and been a good system.
Perfect. And how was the process with your sales and your project managers?
It, like I said, it went very smooth. He was a very personable. I don't remember his name. I'm terrible with names,
No
but
worries.
he was very good. He kept me informed with all the steps. You know when the parts were available, when the parts shipped, when the crew was going to be here, what what I needed to do out in my garage to make the proper space was available for them for the install. So, and
Amazing.